St David's Cathedral was constructed around 1176 and replaced the original 6th century church that was a place of medieval pilgrimage and featured the shrine of St David. Its architectural style consists of both Romanesque and English Gothic architecture. St David's Palace is a large fortified bishop's palace dating from the 12th century, which fell into decay after the Reformation in the 16th century. The city of St David's is the smallest city in Britain and is only a city because it has a cathedral.